Dili na ko.
We're all going on a summer holiday. No more working for a week or two. Fun and laughter on a summer holiday. No more worries for me.
Ana ra school may na ah.
For a week or two. We're going where the sun shines brightly. We're going where the sea is blue. We've seen it in the movies. Now let's see if it's true. Everybody has a summer holiday, doing things they always wanted to. So we're going on a summer holiday to make our dreams come true. For me and you.
Atras si sir. Saulen, pangit, saulen, atras. Atras, atras, saulen, atras, saulen, atras. Iya, atras pangyaw, atras. Nah. Sibuk ginidik. Tunga. Kamay, pangyaw, atras kamay, sir.
Mik. Atubang dito, Mik.
Goodbye. Video sila.
Ikaw na po isunod. Inday, yamain ha.
Sunod jawal ito. Ay, bumili sister.
Hmm?
Bumili.
No, jelly box mo na ako kana.
Sa oras ya, ma'am.
Ah, unsay oras? Alas 6:40. Oh. Sayo pa mo pwede nang wala pa tong mga kwandiri. Alas 8 pa na sila. Ayan.